In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IC markets to MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your dashboard over here, and I'm going to showcase this with a demo account, but a similar option is, of course, available whenever you are trying to connect it to a live account. Now, here, I'm going to click on MT4, and I'm going to click on Open New Demo Account. And when MT4 is selected, you first want to go ahead and select your account type, your currency over here, your leverage, and then your initial deposit as well. Then you want to click on proceed. And what's going to happen is your account is going to be created. You have to refresh this list. And now you have your account over here, as you can see. And you can then see this is your login, this is your password, and then the server as well. Now, what I would recommend then is by going to downloads here on the left. And then under downloads, you'll be able to basically go ahead and scroll down a bit and you'll find MetaTrader 4, okay? So just click on download MT4 over here and it's going to download the IC Markets version of your basically MetaTrader 4, okay? So open this up, and then when that's opened up, you want to basically just install it by clicking the next button, and then it's going to install automatically. And in between, whenever you're waiting for this, just go ahead and go to the Accounts tab, go to your MT4 account and actually prepare all the things you're going to have to fill in to be able to sign in, okay? So I'm going to put this on a separate box, on a separate window. There we go. Press finish inside the installer. And whenever that's done, it's going to just open up your MetaTrader 4. So in a few seconds, this should load up. There we go. And then first it's going to start scanning. You can just go ahead and click on next whenever that's ready. There we go. So just click on next. And then here, you can then go ahead and get started. Now, I would usually just exit this, and it's going to put this terminal up where you have to log in. So the login, of course, number is the one that's on your account. The password is the one that's hidden, and you actually have to copy it and paste it, or you can just retype it. And then you also have to find the correct demo account. So for me, it was demo03, okay? And then I'm going to save the account info. You don't have to if you don't want to. Click on login. And just like this, as you can see, I'm successfully logged in to my demo account over here on MT4 using IC Markets. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.